teachers, to all LSB and non-teaching personnel. We are gathered here today for our Gender and Development or GAD training. A key part of today's activity is to explore upholding women's rights. Focus on understanding and applying RA 9710 in institutions. We are honored to welcome our resource speaker for this morning. She is one of our SDO assets, known for her passion and commitment as a school leader. She earned her bachelor's degree, AB major in history and minor in social science at University of Cagayan Valley with distinguished honor cum laude. She served as a school head from Spakan High, Cuyab Integrated National High School, Calindola National High School, and currently at Pasita Complex National High School. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to our esteemed resource speaker for this morning, Ma'am Janet B. Sinarelios, Principal for Pasita National High School. A round of applause. Good morning, ma'am.
Hindi kayo naligaw. Naligaw. Sabi ko na nga, in my house at 7 o'clock, 7:17, nandito na kami. Mga 20 minutes na lang. So, ay sabi ko kasi, kailangan matapos ko kaagad. Kasi today is our SOSA in the school. But you know,
State of the school address.
hindi ko lang mahindian talaga si Ma'am Kuan Yu. Kaya ano ba, pupunta ba ako or yung SOSA? Anyway, pinamove ko yung SOSA namin ng 11:45. Kailangan matapos to. Alam kong marami tayong matutunan. Kasi matagal na rin kasi ako hindi nagtuturo. Namimiss ko yung magturo. Kasi 1999, 1998 nagsimula akong magturo. Private school. And then after 2 years, ay nagturo naman ako sa abroad for 5 years. Tapos balik dito sa Mother Ecclesiae. Pioneer teacher ako doon. 2003 lang ako pumasok sa public school. Ngayon, eto na, no? So, talagang pang-DepEd na lang na tayo. So, sabi ko, every time na nagro-roll ako, nakakamiss talaga magturo. Di ba? Once a teacher, always a teacher. Pero yung motto ko, a day spent without learning is a day lost. And I want everyone to listen pretty well. Kasi sayang naman yung araw natin na wala tayong matutunan. Although we are all professionals now. Okay. So, natutuwa ako doon sa lighter please. Huwag tayo masyadong seryoso, ha? Natutuwa ako doon sa roll call ni Ma'am Donna. So, I mean, na-condition na siguro ang bawat isa to listen, ano? Sige, so let's start. Understanding and applying RA 9710 in an institution. So, wala tayong pag-uusapan, kundi ang Republic Act 9710. Okay. Anybody who knows, ano kaya ang nandito sa Republic Act na to? Magna Carta for Women. O Ma'am Kuanyo, every may mag-ano ha, partner tayo ngayon. Pag may magre-resign, makakakuha ng tamang sagot, may premium free lunch sa school nyo. Na? Okay. O tandaan nyo yung container natin. Okay. So, free lunch siya. Ma'am ha, pirma mo lang ngayon. Book sa Tuesday na balik natin, di ba? Pakita lang yung pirma ni Ma'am Kuanyo. Free lunch ko. Okay. Empowering women. Raise your hand kung alam. Make your wildest guess. Yes, ma'am. Ha? A partial photo A partial photo of face will be shown on the screen. Only a portion of the face is visible. Then observe quietly. Look closely at the facial features and try to identify the personality. If you know the answer, what will you do? Simply raise your hand. No blurting out answers. And the facilitator, si Ma'am Guanyo, will call one person with raised hand to give their guess. Kasi si Ma'am Guanyo naman ang nakakakilala sa inyo. Ano pa? Okay? After the guess is given, if the guess is correct, the full photo and the name of the personality will be shown. Alam ni Ma'am. And the participant who guessed it correctly will be asked to share. So it's not only telling the name. You should tell a short fact about the person. Okay? Mahirap ba? Madali lang. Kayo talaga tuwing ano mahirap. Try. Are you ready? Okay, let's have it. Yeah, ma'am, sino?
Alam. Ang unang nakita ko sa basang kamay, si Ma'am Eden.
Ma'am Eden. No.
Good morning, everyone. That person is very close to me. Charot. I believe she's the first president na babae. She is Corazon Kawako Aquino from Thailand.
Very good. One lunch for her. Okay.
Pincheck ka.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. She's a very good friend of mine. Nakabata ko po siya, sabay kami nagbuhat. Pero ako'y nabuhat, ma'am. Miss Heidelin Diaz, Olympic gold medalist.
Okay. She's the first Filipino ever to win an Olympic gold medal in 2020 at Tokyo. A milestone for the Philippines. Her total lift is 224. Ilang kabang bigas yan? 4 at kalahati. No, 4 and 1/4. No? Sobrang bigat. Okay. So, ayan siya. Kaya talaga naman Olympic record. Go! Ma'am,
Stacy. Balik ko to, kapareho ko ng vital statistics. She's a...
yes! Tama siya. What makes it significant for Ma'am for Angel Locsin? Ano pagkakaalam mo sa kanya? She is a philanthropist. Ha? Si philanthropist. So, karamihan sa kanyang pera, tinutulong niya, dinodonate niya. Diba? With less publicity. So, that makes her unique female artist. Okay? Yan! Ano to? Hindi nakikita.
Jean Gonzalez.
Okay, who's that?
Miss Lea Salonga.
Okay, kaibigan niyo, ma'am?
Kababata ko daw.
Okay, syempre, the famous Lea Salonga. Okay, what makes her famous? Okay, the Broadway Queen. Ayan. Okay, so this two. Ay, wala na yan. Okay, so that's it. So, what